Welcome to the educational module Introduction to the Internet of Things of SendingVet program. The current section is to introduce you to the Business Value module. Suzanne Eley claims in an article at IoTevolutionWorld.com that the IoT technology has made the concept of smart homes possible, and now the time for smart workplaces has arrived. With Business IoT, the business is introduced in the Internet of Things. IoT stands for Common Items Connected to the Internet, so the IoT business will be companies that are connected to the Internet. When business adopts the idea of IoT, it can be done in two different ways. The first one is the inside way, where the employees and the building are all connected with the Internet. And the second one is the outside way, where the products or the services are connected to the Internet. The website nibusinessinfo.co.uk, which is the official online channel for business advice and guidance in Northern Ireland, claims in one of its articles that the business value is the core principles or standards that guides the way of the business. In other words, business value sums up what the business stands for and what makes it special. It is noticeable that, while business plans and strategies may change, the core values of a business remain the same. The first question to answer to is, what is business value? The best way to describe business value is by answering the question, what does the business stand for? In other words, the business value of a company is an informal term that includes all forms of value that determine the health and well-being of the business. The most important fact to understand the significance of business value is with the statement, while business plans and strategies change, the core value of the business remains the same. In the business world, business value are the benefits that a firm generates for its stakeholders and includes a company's long-term ability to create revenue, products, services, employment, quality of life and investment returns. The following examples are illustrative business value. Assets can be divided into types: the physical assets that can represent as land, and the digital assets that can represent as data. Talent represents the talent of the company's employees, which will affect the greater picture of the company. Know-how is the ability of the company to achieve productive and creative results, which is based on knowledge, talent, processes, procedures, controls and systems. Brand value represents the value of a company's brand in response of brand recognition and brand image. Finally, products and services represent the economic value of them to the customers. The business value of a company is composed based on four components. The first one is the shareholder value, which represents the value delivered to the shareholders of a business. The second one is the customer value, which represents the value received by the end consumer of a product or service. The third one is the employee value, which represents the value for the employees of the company. The last one is the channel partner value, which represents the value of the partner relationships in the business. The introduction of IoT in the business world means changes in the way traditional business work. These changes can be found in the following 8 main categories. IoT technology will introduce revolution in tracking and managing of inventory and create smart warehouses. Data collection and exchange is the reason all business function and grow. IoT technologies can certainly speed up a lot of business processes without compromising the productivity and efficiency. The introduction of IoT in business gives the company the option to work without being in the office. Adopting IoT technologies in businesses requires basic knowledge and ability to interact with this technology, which makes it necessary for businesses to focus on skilled workers who can handle IoT technology efficiently. As the business is expanding with IoT, the consumers, who will use the IoT devices, will be affected with this change too. When products turn smart, users are able to interact and control them wireless by using network connections and of course the internet. The way consumers buy products will also change with the introduction of IoT in business, and as a consequence the buying cycle gets shorter. The first thing someone will ask you when mentioning IoT in business is if it is safe for the business to fully adopt the IoT. This question cannot be answered with only a yes or a no, because many factors play an important role in the procedure of adopting IoT. It is worth mentioning that this also comes with risks that the business needs to deal with to create a successful result. In this part, the risks that a business and infrastructure has to deal with when adopting IoT are: modular architecture of hardware and software, DDoS attack, complexity of vulnerabilities, and scalability of infrastructure. The IoT is affecting virtually all industries, so to better explain the importance of adopting IoT in a business, it is best to provide some examples of industries that already use IoT with a great benefit. Firstly, healthcare IoT provides better patient experiences through connected healthcare data systems and better management of administered medicine through IoT monitoring solutions. Industrial manufacturing is the second biggest industry that is embraced by the IoT and digital transformation. In this area, IoT is at newer peaks and is named IIoT, which is short for Industrial Internet of Things. The adoption of IoT is deployed through connected sensors and predictive maintenance systems, leading to decreased downtime and higher product quality and output. Finally, smart heating IoT is another example that can prove the importance of IoT in the business world. Here IoT delivers real-time behavioral marketing and predictive social media analytics.